Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you up close and in detail what one of my Christmas trees looks like after it's finished. This is meant to be a companion video to the longer video already posted on my channel that goes through step by step exactly how I created this tree. And since I get a lot of helpful feedback from people with what they'd like to see in my videos, I wanted to create a second video of the same tree that would help those out that don't want to necessarily see the process but more the results. So be sure to check out the description box below or the screen at the end of the video if you'd like to see step by step how I created this tree. Also, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up for this video. It only takes a moment and is very helpful to me here on YouTube. This tree is a 9-foot artificial pre-lit tree. It has 700 lights, but I've added one strand of 300 LED lights that I've run more on the inside of the tree. This particular strand has multiple functions, and I've set it to the twinkle setting so it looks like the tree is sparkling. Because this tree is in a log home, I really wanted to make sure it tied into the surroundings. Therefore, I added this grapevine garland to give it more of an organic feel. I also wanted to keep the base colors of the tree very traditional because it matches the rest of the house but also showcases the special ornaments of the tree. Most of the special ornaments are needlepoint ornaments that my mom made many years ago. Then, to fill out the tree, I've also added a lot of balls in traditional red and green and in several different sizes. For the top of the tree, I've created a custom topper that ties in with the rest of the tree and also gives some additional height since this room is much taller than the Christmas tree. I've also added some items beneath the tree to not only keep it from looking bare until presents arrive, but also to display some items that further carry out the theme and showcase some special items that were picked up from trips and bring back special memories. So there's a close-up look of my designer-style tree using traditional colors that is perfect for any place that you want that homey traditional feeling. And check out the full video if you'd like to see more on the process to create this tree. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can check out more of my additional content. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye.